The information given on this channel is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Before you do anything in this video or on this channel, please ask a professional. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're already one step ahead in taking control of your financial future. Today, we're diving into 21 life-changing personal finance lessons that will transform your life and put you firmly in control of your financial decisions. Ready? Subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Financial education is about more than just managing money, it's about acquiring the knowledge, skills, and tools to make informed and responsible decisions. Imagine managing your money with confidence, understanding everything from basic to advanced financial concepts, and planning and achieving your financial goals both short-term and long-term. With a solid knowledge base, you'll be able to decide how to earn, spend, save, and invest your money, gaining more control and security over your financial future. Let's get started with the first life-changing lesson. Know your income and expenses. Lesson number 1. Know your income and expenses. In today's world, we're bombarded with images of luxurious lifestyles. Social media can make it easy to get caught up in the allure of living beyond our means. This often leads to financial instability and stress. The first crucial step to mastering your finances is to understand your income and expenses thoroughly. Keep a detailed record of everything you earn and all your spending. Break down each expense into specific categories to get a clearer view of your spending habits. This precision will help you make informed decisions and improve your financial health. Lesson number 2. Create a budget. Creating a budget is essential for managing your money wisely. A well-structured budget allows you to allocate your income to different expense categories like housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and savings. This gives you clear control over your money, helps you identify and cut unnecessary expenses, and allows you to save more and spend more effectively. Even financial experts like Warren Buffett emphasize the importance of budgeting for financial success. Lesson number 3. Save regularly. Saving regularly is one of the most crucial financial practices. Building a solid financial foundation through consistent saving provides security and peace of mind. Set a savings goal each month for purposes like building an emergency fund, buying a house or car, or simply having a financial cushion. Allocate a fixed portion of your income each month to savings before considering other expenses, ensuring that saving becomes an essential part of your financial routine. Remember, even Elon Musk started small, saving and investing wisely. Lesson number 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. Avoiding unnecessary debt is crucial for maintaining robust financial health. Live within your means and resist the temptation to rack up debt for non-essential items. Before making a purchase or taking out a loan, ask yourself if it's something you genuinely need or just a fleeting desire. This helps you make more responsible financial decisions and steer clear of unnecessary financial strain. Bill Gates once said, "It's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep." Lesson number 5. Eliminate existing debt. Eliminating existing debt is crucial for financial education and stability. Prioritize debt repayment, especially those with the highest interest rates, to shed financial burdens and regain control of your finances. Start by taking an inventory of all your debts, including loans and credit cards. This will give you a clear view of your financial obligations and help you strategize your repayment plan effectively. Lesson number 6. Compare and negotiate. Whether you're shopping online or in a store, taking the time to compare prices and negotiate can make a world of difference. Research the products you need, understand your requirements, and explore various options to get the best deals. This approach can transform your financial outlook. Negotiation skills are vital, and even successful entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos emphasize the importance of getting the best value for your money. Please subscribe and visit my channel, as there are many valuable videos about investing in cryptocurrency, stocks, real estate, or bonds. There are also about making money, being financially free, and managing your money. Thank you so much for this. Lesson number 7. Invest in your education. Investing in your education is one of the best decisions you can make for your future. Obtain a university degree, take specialized courses, attend workshops, read books, or watch educational videos. The goal is to acquire new skills and knowledge that make you more valuable in the job market. Improving your skills prepares you for better job opportunities and increases your earning potential. Lifelong learning is a key principle that successful people like Oprah Winfrey live by. Lesson number 8. Diversify your income. Diversifying your income streams is crucial for financial stability. Having multiple sources of income protects you if one source is affected and increases your ability to generate more income. This diversification allows you to explore different passions and skills, giving you greater control over your financial situation. Richard Branson, known for his diverse business ventures, is a prime example of the benefits of income diversification. Lesson number 9. Protect your assets. Evaluate your assets and determine the necessary insurance to protect them. Homeowners insurance, car insurance, and health insurance are essential for mitigating risks and safeguarding your financial future. Protecting your assets ensures that you can recover from unexpected events without significant financial loss. Lesson number 10. Set realistic financial goals. Break your financial goals into short-term and long-term objectives. Short-term goals, like saving a specific amount or paying off a small debt, keep you focused and motivated with quick results. Long-term goals, such as buying a home or saving for retirement, require patience and discipline. Setting realistic financial goals helps you stay on track and measure your progress effectively. Lesson number 11. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle not only improves your quality of life but can also reduce long-term medical expenses. Adopt healthy habits like a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate rest, and avoiding harmful substances. Regular medical checkups and preventive measures can detect and address health issues early, saving you money in the long run. Lesson number 12. Automate your finances. Automating your savings and bill payments can help you stay on track with your financial goals. Automation removes the manual effort and decision-making, reducing the risk of impulse spending. It also ensures timely payments, avoiding late fees and improving your credit score. With your financial responsibilities on autopilot, you can focus on more important aspects of your life. Lesson number 13. Plan for retirement. Start planning for your retirement early. Take advantage of tax benefits and retirement programs like a 401k or an IRA. Consistently contribute to your retirement savings to build a substantial fund over time. Planning for retirement ensures financial security and peace of mind in your later years. Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Lesson number 14. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is crucial for financial stability. Experts suggest having at least 3 to 6 months of basic expenses saved to cover unexpected events. This fund acts as a financial cushion, allowing you to handle emergencies without resorting to debt. Create a plan to accumulate this amount gradually and make it a priority. Lesson number 15. Review your finances regularly. Keep an eye on your income, expenses, savings, and investments. Regularly review your financial situation and compare it with your goals. If you find deviations or areas that need adjustment, take action to get back on track. Reviewing your finances helps you stay informed and make necessary changes to improve your financial health. Lesson number 16. Invest wisely. Before investing, assess your risk tolerance and define your financial goals. Diversify your investment portfolio to reduce risks and maximize growth opportunities. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to provide personalized guidance. Successful investing requires patience, discipline, and a long-term strategy. As Elon Musk advises, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It takes less than a second and helps a lot if you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. You can also help by sharing my videos with your friends or family. Thank you so much for this. Let's continue. Lesson number 17. Pay credit cards on time. Maintaining a good credit history is essential for financial stability. Pay your credit card bills on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. Timely payments improve your credit score and help you secure better loan terms in the future. A good credit score is crucial for financial opportunities. Lesson number 18. Take advantage of rewards and discounts. Use credit cards that offer attractive rewards such as points, miles, cashback, or discounts. Carefully read the terms and conditions to maximize these benefits without falling into debt. Watch for promotions and discounts in stores and services, and consider joining loyalty programs that reward your regular purchases. Lesson number 19. Plan large purchases. Planning your large purchases helps you avoid unnecessary expenses and maintain balanced financial health. Research and compare prices, negotiate, and make informed decisions. This approach ensures that you get the best value for your money and avoid impulse spending. Lesson number 20. Seek financial advice. Having a financial advisor can make a significant difference in your economic life. Research and choose an advisor with experience and a solid reputation in personal finance. Share your financial goals and concerns to develop personalized strategies. A reputable advisor provides valuable recommendations and helps you make informed decisions, protecting you from financial fraud and other risks. Lesson number 21. Maintain a positive money mindset. Your mindset towards money significantly impacts your financial decisions and ability to achieve financial stability and success. Stay positive, keep learning, and apply new knowledge to your financial routine. A positive money mindset will help you navigate challenges and stay motivated on your financial journey. And there you have it. These 21 life-changing personal finance lessons are essential for transforming your relationship with money and achieving a healthier, more prosperous financial life. Apply these principles to your daily routine and watch how your finances gradually improve. Remember, financial education is an ongoing process, so keep learning and applying new knowledge. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement is like applause for our efforts. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.